In late June 2025, tensions once again rose in European waters as the British Royal Navy deployed warships and helicopters to monitor Russian naval movements through the English Channel and North Sea. For 4 days, the Royal Navy maintained a high-alert operation, tracking the Russian Steregushchiy-class corvette RFN Boikiy as it sailed east through the Channel. The mission involved the advanced Type 45 destroyer HMS Duncan and the River-class offshore patrol vessel HMS Mersey, underscoring Britain's commitment to maritime security and NATO vigilance amid growing Russian naval activity. The RFN Boikiy is part of Russia's Baltic Fleet and belongs to the Steregushchiy-class, known as Project 2038. This modern corvette features stealth designs, advanced radar systems, and a formidable arsenal, including Uran anti-ship missiles, Radut surface-to-air missiles, torpedoes, and a powerful 100mm naval gun. It can also deploy a Ka-27 helicopter for anti-submarine warfare and surveillance. Its presence in the English Channel is seen as a strategic move by Russia to assert naval influence in critical shipping corridors and to escort vessels operating under Western sanctions. Just days before, HMS Trent and Wildcat helicopters from 815 Naval Air Squadron tracked the Russian frigate RFN Admiral Grigorovich as it moved from Gibraltar into the North Sea. These frequent Russian naval transits through vital sea lanes have triggered swift responses from NATO navies determined to maintain security and stability in European waters. On June 20th, HMS Duncan intercepted the RFN Boikiy near Ushant at the southwestern edge of the Channel. The following day, HMS Mersey assumed escort duties off the Isle of Wight, allowing HMS Duncan to return to scheduled training and future operational deployments. UK Minister for the Armed Forces, Luke Pollard, emphasized that the Royal Navy remains fully committed to shadowing all Russian warships approaching British waters and protecting vital infrastructure like undersea cables. Commander Daniel Lee, commanding officer of HMS Duncan, stressed the strategic importance of these missions, demonstrating the Royal Navy's readiness and dedication to safeguarding the nation's maritime interests. This recent operation is the latest in a series of encounters between the Royal Navy and Russian naval forces in the Channel during 2025. On June 16th, the RFN Boikiy was spotted escorting 2 sanctioned Russian oil tankers, Selva and Sierra, through the Channel, an unprecedented move that many experts see as a direct challenge to Western sanctions and maritime controls. Earlier in 2025, British ships shadowed several other Russian vessels. In May, HMS Tyne tracked the surfaced Russian Kilo-class submarine Krasnodar as it returned from the Mediterranean. And in February, HMS Iron Duke, HMS Tyne, and RFA Tide Force monitored a larger Russian naval group transporting military cargo from Syria. To counter this growing presence, the Royal Navy has intensified its patrols and surveillance operations. HMS Duncan, one of the Royal Navy's most sophisticated Type 45 destroyers, is equipped with the advanced Sea Viper missile system and powerful radar capable of tracking and neutralizing multiple aerial threats at once. It plays a key role in fleet defense, multinational operations, and deploying helicopters for reconnaissance and anti-submarine missions. Meanwhile, HMS Mersey, a River-class offshore patrol vessel, supports maritime security, border enforcement, and the escorting of foreign warships through sensitive waters. Although lightly armed, her endurance and adaptability make her an essential asset for maintaining a persistent presence in high-risk maritime zones like the English Channel. The steady increase in Russian warship activity near British waters throughout 2025 has raised significant concern among defense officials. The Royal Navy's heightened readiness reflects the urgency of countering hybrid threats, including potential sabotage or surveillance of undersea infrastructure vital for data and energy networks. Through operations like this, the British Royal Navy continues to affirm its role as a global naval power and a steadfast guardian of freedom of navigation and national security. As geopolitical tensions persist, the watchful eyes of the Royal Navy remain fixed on the Channel, ever ready to protect the UK's maritime frontiers.